Every new day presents a series of challenges and opportunities. With every door you open and every surface you touch, upholding high hygiene standards is crucial for achieving success on a daily basis. In the food handling, efficiency and hygiene are critical to ensuring success. That's why Beta develops world-class detergents and disinfectants designed to meet every specific need and ensure a safe and healthy environment. However, the value of cleanliness goes beyond this domain. At Beta, we focus not only on developing top-quality products. Our commitment is to provide 360-degree support to ensure proper deployment and the optimal operation of your business, day by day. We are committed to training every member of your team to maximize efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure safety for both your team and your customers. At Beta, we enhance health and well-being by ensuring environments, textiles, and surfaces are free of microorganisms, elevating the standard of exceptional hospitality. Our 100% biodegradable products are essential in every aspect of your business, safeguarding your customers and fostering their continued loyalty. At the end of the day, your only mission will be to enjoy the moments that turn into valuable memories, where health and hygiene go hand in hand with satisfaction. Enjoy every moment, knowing that every ingredient and utensil has been treated to the highest hygiene standards, thanks to Beta's teamwork. At every stage of food production, our detergents and disinfectants ensure compliance with the strictest hygiene standards. With Beta, every phase is carefully designed to guarantee food safety so as your confidence and security. Innovation is the driving force behind our growth, enabling us to stay at the forefront of the cleaning and disinfection industry. Our research and development team works continuously to create products and equipment that exceed the strictest international regulations. Thanks to our commitment to innovation and quality, we have earned some of the most demanding certifications on the market, ensuring that every Beta product meets the highest standards of health, safety, and sustainability. At Beta, we have built a highly skilled team dedicated to optimizing results for every challenge we face each day. This is the structure of our formula for success: exceptional talent, experience, state-of-the-art dosing equipment, and the largest logistics network in Mexico. With over 39 years of experience and a solid presence in Mexico and Guatemala, Beta has a deep understanding of the unique challenges faced by each industry. That's why we offer specialized solutions with world-class quality standards, tailored to the specific needs of every industry. At Beta, we understand the importance of timely deliveries. With our smart infrastructure and strategic network of over 30 distribution centers, we ensure that your orders reach any part of Mexico within 72 hours. This ensures that you always receive what you need, exactly when you need it. We fully understand the challenges of each sector, and we know that every need requires a unique solution. At Beta, our goal is to deliver unlimited value across the food producer's safety chain throughout Mexico and Guatemala. At the end of each day and every process, we prioritize hygiene, allowing you to focus on growing your business. That's how easy life is with Beta.